Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is the pronoun. So let's talk about it. Pronoun pronoun. Definition. Definition definition of pronoun. The word used to place of nouns, place of nouns or for nouns are called pronoun. Example: I, we, he, they, your, etc. The word used to place of noun or for the noun are called pronoun. Example: I, we, he, they, your, etc. Sentences. So let's the sentences of pronoun. Number one. We are friends. We are friends. Number two. It is your dog. It is your dog. Number three. They are good. They are good girls. Number four. Our teacher loves us. Our teacher loves us. Number five. He loves me. He loves me. So let's underline pronouns. Number one. We are friends. We. It is your dog. It. They are good girls. They. Our teachers loves us. Our and us. He loves me. He and me. They are pronouns. So we have completed the pronouns. So kids, answer me the pronoun in this sentence. My mother loved me and my brother. Please tell me what are pronoun in this sentence. Please write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about pronoun and its sentences. Kids, if you want to learn about noun and all monuments of India, all parts, so you can check out the description box in which I have pasted links of these video. So please watch this video. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for